For Amalgamation D, we do something we call a loop, where you start the counting, but the end of it loops onto the counts of the beginning of it, so you haven't got your full bars of music. So we're going to start with the 7-beat riff. Again, go back, look at my previous videos. I've got all the riffs separately. This is the riffs that aren't the examination ones. These are going up to the 12-beat riffs. So look for the 7-beat riff in that section. So for Amalgamation D, we're going to do a 7-beat riff and a clap on the end for the 8th count, but we're going to do it fast with the music half the time, so therefore that will only take 4 counts, 4 beats of the music. But counting the riff, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, clap on 8, then tap spring shuffle hops. So that's on 5 under 6 and 7 under 8, single time step, and this is where you find we do the loop. The next counts will be starting again with the riff. Clap, tap spring shuffle hop, tap spring shuffle hop, shuffle hop, spring tap ball change, and then lift the foot to start the heel beat of the riff again. If you're not sure how to do the 7-beat riff, look up my videos of riffs. This is the riffs that go up to 12 beats, not the examination one. So look in that section of riffs. Let's go with the music. Amalgamation E, flap, pull back, 2 ripples, 2 pendulum wings, pick up change, and a pick up change with a ball heel. And then you can start again on the other foot. So I'll do it again for you. Flap, pull back, 2 ripples, 2 pendulum wings, pick up change with heel beat. Let's try with the music. Amalgamation F. Now this is a nice one to play around with, doing the steps in different ways, such as there's ball changes in it. You can turn them, or you can do ball changes across, or you could do ball changes out to the side. So this is an amalgamation where once your students have got the steps, or if you're practicing on your own at home, once you've got them, play around with them. It'll be much more interesting to see things such as the shuffles come under the knee, or such things as this. So play around with the steps and see how interesting you can make them. And don't forget, you should be using your arms. Irish dancing doesn't use arms. Tap dancing most certainly does. So for Amalgamation F, we're going to do stamp and 3 pullbacks. Stamp, 1, 2, 3. Drop, shuffle spring toe. Spring shuffle ball change. So as you can see, I'm just doing it straight to give you the steps, but things such as the shuffles, we could do over the knee and the ball change turning on the end, for example, and then start with the back here. So let's try with the music. Amalgamation G, tap, step, heel beat, toe, step, pick up, step. And repeat 2 more times, so now to the left, then to the right. Tap, step, heel, toe, step, pick up, step. Tap, step, heel, toe, step, pick up, step. Tap, step, heel, toe, and 2 slow stamps. Let's do that first piece again. Remember, join all these together and make one long dance or amalgamation. So, tap, step, heel, toe, step, pick up, step. Tap, step, heel, toe, step, pick up, step. Tap, step, heel, toe, step, pick up, step. Tap, step, heel, toe, stamp, stamp. Brush forward, carrying it round, 1, 2, into a tap, step back, and 3, pick up, step, and 4. Let's do that little bit. So brush round, 1, 2, tap, step back, and 3, pick up, step, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And 5 and 6, and 7 and 8. Shuffle ball heels over 2 times. And then you can start from the beginning. Tap, step, heel, toe, step, pick up, step. Tap, step, heel, toe, step, pick up, step. Tap, step, heel, toe, step, pick up, step. Tap, step, heel, toe, stamp, stamp. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Let's try with the music.